Custom-built lakefront home in desirable gated neighborhood of preserved heritage oaks. Very well maintained by original owners. New AC and heating system 2017. Top-of-the-line hurricane shutters throughout. Open concept floor plan with gorgeous kitchen open to great room with peaceful direct water views. Spacious, screen truss covered patio. Extra deep 3-car garage. Elegant pavers, large laundry room and lots of extras too many to list. Excellent location within walking biking distance to great schools. Neighborhood with community pool and park area for neighborhood events, family movie night, potluck themed fall summer gatherings and holiday festivities with wonderful neighbors. A great place to call home.